2004 Ford Ranger Edge. One owner, no accidents, Texas vehicle, no rust, sliding window, power windows, locks and mirrors, cruise control, Kenwood radio, 109,000 original miles, in flawless condition. Running boards, alloy wheels, tires are in great shape. Bed liner, tow package, four-door extended cab, back seats fold down. Once again, this is a one-owner Texas truck, no rust. Perfect vehicle for students. Very low miles for the age. Fog lights. (2004) Ford Ranger Edge or Tremor. Four-door extended cab, one owner, all original, needs nothing, in wonderful condition. Perfect student vehicle.